DebtWise has a lot of great features, but one of my favorites is the Spend Right tab. Why? Because it informs you how to make smart decisions about your personal finances, so you can break the debt cycle for good. Take a look around, and you'll find expert articles that help you take control of your spending and develop good financial habits for life. There are also quizzes to help you identify potential pitfalls in your spending patterns and practical tips to help you save. Best of all, you can create a Spend Right plan. It offers great ways to cut expenses as well as a budget worksheet, so you know you're spending your money wisely, month after month. Go ahead, take control of DebtWise. Start spending right today.